Hey guys, so today I've got a 2005 Nissan Altima. It's got a check engine light on. It failed the annual emission test. Hooked up the scanner, and it's got two codes in the computer. p0455. Zoom in a little proper. There we go. p0455. Evap emission system leak detected. Large leak. p0441. evap emission system incorrect purge flow. So evap system is mainly for the emissions, does not affect the drivability that much. Some cases it can, some does not. So I'm gonna show you how to check that. So if you look behind the intake, this green cap right over here, that green cap is for the evap system. So we're gonna put a smoke test in that and check where the leak is from. So I'll put the smoke test over here. All right, turn it on. That's the problem right there. The hose chewed by a rat. There you go. So we're just gonna fix this hose. Should be a regular hose. Goes to the canister. A little rusted, but no biggie. Fix it, clear the code, drive it, and that should take care of the problem. Alright, so just came back from a test drive after putting it together and cleaning the code. Just had it running for like 10 minutes in the shop. After that, drove it a couple exits up and back. And so far, no check engine light on. All the fault lights are off. Sweet times. There we go. It's got one monitor incomplete, no fault codes. So one incomplete. It should be ready for an emission test. Pretty sure the one monitor that's incomplete is gonna get ready in about next drive cycle or so. But so far, no fault codes. Before, according to the customer, he said he cleaned the code, drove the car a couple of miles, and it came on. Let's see which one is incomplete. Yep, the evap one is incomplete. Again, after one or two more drive cycles, it should be all set. All right, hopefully it helped somebody. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.